Why are there not more people talking about the next big revolution? Yes, I'm talking about the future of AI. Exciting, isn't it? Artificial intelligence is not just a futuristic concept, it's reshaping our world right now. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI's capabilities are rapidly expanding. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI grows smarter, questions about ethics and safety inevitably surface. Will AI enhance our lives, or could it possibly overpower human control? Let's dive deeper. Imagine AI diagnosing diseases earlier than ever before, or optimizing crop yields to feed the hungry. These are not scenes from a sci-fi movie, they are real possibilities. However, challenges like data privacy, unemployment due to automation, and decision-making biases also loom large. The future of AI is a blend of incredible promises and formidable challenges. It's up to us, the researchers, developers, and society, to navigate this journey wisely. So, what role will you play in shaping this future?